Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Vangnika. Are you wondering why I'm in sari? Yes. Coming to the point, today I'm going to show you different types of dresses and saris for wearing for weddings or any parties, and so that you will get an inspiration, fashion inspiration, and so that you can wear the jewelry, the saris and different. You can try different types of lehengas, dresses, and saris. So let's dive into the video. First look I'm gonna show is beautiful ruffle saree. I have paid up a black blouse with this saree, and I'm gonna give the details in the description box where I got this stitch. And I have paid up this beautiful earrings, and I didn't prefer loose hair. This bun looks so good and it gives a stylish look. Nowadays ruffles has become very trendy, so this will look good for receptions like small parties and events. The second look I'm gonna show is totally traditional. You can wear this look for going to marriages or traditional events, and this blouse work is Magam work, and I'm going to give the details in the description. I have paired up with this beautiful motis necklace, and these beautiful earrings are from wowhow.india. I will give the Instagram link, you can order from there, or I will give the WhatsApp number as well. And this is totally completely traditional look, and the saree is cotton and silk mix. It's not purely silk and it's not purely cotton. This is beautiful for youngsters and newly married. French style or any other braid will look good. So instead of loose hair, try this look.
It's every heartbeat. You know I'll come.
And the third look is the most stylish and most elegant and my favorite look, and this red color saree will take your look to the next level. This is a one-step saree. It's like a skirt, and you just need to keep the belt, and that's it, and you're good to go. This is most stylish look ever, and you can wear that for sangeets, some parties and receptions like that. And I have just simply tied my hair. You can also prefer loose hair if you want. And these beautiful earrings are from again wowhow.india. The fourth saree look is totally based on this beautiful elephant jhumkis. My mom designed that. She do all these jhumki works. Oh my god, so many artists in our family. I love these pretty elephant jhumkis. And when it comes to saree, the saree is combination of ash and black. And I have paid up again Wowhow jewelry of chain and studs. So much of self-promotion guys, but I just want to show you that you can find all this pretty jewelry in our page.
Running when you need, I'm coming. You know I'll come running. You go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you're sounding alarm, when the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army.
And the last look for this video is this pretty dress attached with this dupatta. I bought this in India store. You can find it online also. I think you can find this dress in Myntra.
So this dress is attached with a dupatta and it is stitched with the dress. And for this, it's just a simple loose hair, and I have matched up with again Waho earrings.
Hope you like this video, and I will give all the details which I am wearing, the earrings, dresses and sarees, in the description box below. And the designer dresses, I told my aunt I am going to give her number in the description box, and all the earrings are from waho.india at Instagram, or you can DM us in WhatsApp. I am giving that information also in the description box. Hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on that notification bell. Bye bye.